When you have this polynomial, you want to look at it and notice that there is a number in front of the first term, and that's 5. You also want to notice that there's a relationship between these three terms, and that is that they all have a factor of 5 in them. So take that into consideration when you're factoring this. Now this will be a little different than what you do in the other ones that we have solved before, in the sense that instead of jumping into factoring the polynomial like we're used to, you're going to have to take out the factor of 5 in this case. So what you're going to do is take that 5 out and then think to yourself, now that I took that 5 out from the first term, what's left? N squared. Because if I were to multiply that 5, what would I get? 5n squared. Now I go to the second term. Okay, now to get that second term, I'd have to multiply by 2 to get 5 times 2 to give us 10. And then also don't forget that you have to multiply by n to get the full 10n. Now my third term is positive, so I write down the plus. In order to get 20, what do I have to multiply by 5? 4. So I'm going to write down a 4 there. There's no n term, so I leave that alone. Okay, so that's all I have here. I can leave this alone at this point, and that will be my final answer for this polynomial. And that's how you would solve this for factoring out when you have a number in front of that first term.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.